Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. This is video number 900. That's the 900th, at least the 900th radio that I've worked on since I've been online, and of course since I started keeping track of them. I didn't always make video demos of this stuff, but I'm not going to do any more videos today because when I do the next video, that's going to be 901, and there goes the thrill of reaching 900. So I'm going to make this my last video today so I can enjoy reaching 900 for the rest of the evening while I have my supper and watch TV and do all my little after school activities. So let's milk this for all we can. This is video number 900. Okay, this is a radio out of an 83 GMC pickup, looks like. Comes from Jerome in Denver, Colorado. Jerome has requested the modern internal conversion for greatly increased audio power and also the Bluetooth feature, and we're going to check everything before we send her back. So let's turn it on. I've got it set to AM at the moment so that we can do some messing around during talk radio and I don't get nailed for copyright stuff. So let's set it, turn it on to AM.
If you need advice, please consult an attorney. I'm Lindsay Draper with your Q&A Quick Flex with what's now.
And as you guys probably know by now, most front-rear faders are no longer working anymore, so we don't even bother rewiring those. We have a virtual front-rear fader in the tone control, as well as a left-right balance control. It's all in the tone control, and I'm going to show you guys right now how to make your balance and fader adjustments. So let's bring our output level meters in the picture.
Gerard Butler and Mike Coulter.
Okay, using our tone control, I want to activate the virtual front-rear fader.
Starring Abby Quinn. Fader adjust.
Okay, so now we're using the same control to adjust our front-rear speaker balance. All the way front, all the way rear.
A check of what's playing
Okay, I'm
now
going to
at
center
your
them.
local cinema. You can check fader
Set.
prices
Okay, left,
by
right
calling
balance.
your theater or logging on balance adjust.
Alrighty, so now we're using the same control to adjust the left-right balance. All the way right, all the way left. Say something quickly. All the way right. Okay, we'll center them.
Balance
it. Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
You are listening to
Bluetooth ready to
Okay,
pair.
so we know the Bluetooth's working. Alrighty, let's switch to FM, and I have all 5 buttons preset to stations in my area, so we can do this quickly.
You go to the third page of this article. It's on
ArizonaHonda.com.
Okay, there's our FM. Let's tune it off station so we don't get any further copyrighted material. Try the 8-track, Neil Sedaka.
It's a star-spangled choo-choo train a-chugging. Oh, honey, you know that all the answer to my prayer is if. That means wake up and live. A ticket to the blue. And we're playing that we never said
Okay,
goodbye.
very lightly press the eject button and it ejects the tape and the radio comes back. We'll just... Alrighty, and we'd already know the dial light works. You can see the dial light turning on and off through that hole right there as I press and release the button. So we're good to go here. Everything is working properly. She's ready to go back to the customer, and I'm not ready to get on to the next video because I'm going to enjoy having video 900 for the rest of the evening. I'm not going to worry about screwing it up by making video 901. So I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and for service you can reach me by visiting the website that's in the description below. And if you're serious about sending in your unit for service, you're going to have to send a work order with it anyway, so you might as well go ahead and download and print the work order, which will answer all your questions about my options and prices, including options for turn times. Please review that information before calling me with a 15-minute attack of questions. That's what the work order is for, guy. The more I'm on the phone, the less quality workmanship I can put into your radio when it comes. So by observing my policies, you're also helping me to do the best possible work on your radio. So thanks so much for watching, listening, and thank you again, Jerome, for your business from Denver, Colorado, and we'll see you guys next time.